Shiv, go ahead.
Vishnu, we're
Yeah.
hearing from sources that a Pakistan Air Force F-16 has been shot down. It crashed somewhere near the Sargodha Air Base. Very, very flimsy information coming in, but at least two government contacts have said that it appears that an interception of a Pakistan F-16 has taken place. It was on a combat air patrol. It was armed and it was brought down possibly by an Indian S-400. I have to, put the disclaimer here that there is no official confirmation just yet of this this news break, but an F-16 going down is a very, very big thing. It hasn't happened since 2019, and we are reporting right now that the integrated air defense system on the Indian side, the entire air defense shield that covers northwest and North India, including Srinagar, where I am right now, is fully active. Srinagar, where I'm reporting from right now, is also potentially a target for a similar kind of saturation attack. But the big breaking story right now is that the Pakistan Air Force, may have just lost an F-16 fighter. It is its most capable fighter, obviously, at this point of time, and it may have gone down in the entire aerial fracas that's happening between the two countries. There are missiles, there are drones, there are fighter aircraft, there are AWACS aircraft in the air at this point of time. There are projectiles flying in both directions. The entire border is active, and we're hearing first information from our sources within the government that an F-16 fighter has been shot down by a surface-to-air weapon from the Indian side. I am presuming that if it crashed somewhere near Sargodha, it's possibly an S-400, Vishnu.